Action of the high powered committee जी exposition 2024 relics of Saint Francis Xavier जाले किती किती पडलेले आयज
First committee meeting as the Commissioner Sandeep along with the different heads of the various departments. We had a site inspection, the first site inspection. It was a first meeting just to identify places and to see what can be improved from the last exposition to this exposition, maybe as far as infrastructure is concerned, parking areas are concerned, the exposition secretariat is concerned. So today's meeting was a very preliminary meeting just to identify certain areas, what can be done to improve the whole circulation and the movement of people, to decongest also the area, what can be done now that we have new spaces, also the coming of the highway. So things have changed from in the last 10 years, things have changed. So this meeting was only to identify what can be done, what can be improved as far as the traffic movement is concerned, parking is concerned.
So father लाखांनी लोक येता हिंगा सो बेसिकली तुमी चिंता कितें आसतली मेन कन्सर्न कितें आसतलो कितें पळयता पळोवंक सोदता
पळय लोक येता पळय तांकां लाखांनी लोक येतलो तांकां पयलें म्हळ्यार तांकां एक्सपोजिशन वेनरेशन रॅलिक्स ऑफ सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर बरे भाशेन तांकां जावंक जाय आनी रावपाक तांकां or even the facilities, the stay facilities, that is our main concern, that everybody should go blessed with a divine experience. So that is how we are working, that is the main concern.
Okay, and you have frequent meetings जातल्यो the regular meeting.
We are working in close collaboration with the government because certain things need to be planned well in advance.
लोकांक रावपाची सवल कितें केलेली आसा
रावपाची होय वेवस्था आमी करता पूण आतां कितें जालां पळय 10 वर्सांनी जायतीं hotels have come up, no? People also, many people don't prefer to stay in pilgrim centers. Our last experience was many people took advantage, but most of the time they were also free. So we are trying to evaluate but there will be facilities that will be provided.
Okay. Thank you, Father.
Thank you.